Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Chanel. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me today. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. So I'm gonna jump right in and do my spread for this coming week. Alright, so it is officially the second week, well, it's about to be the second full week of December. And this is actually going to be my first Christmas spread that I'm doing right now because I didn't do a spread last week. I just wasn't in the decor mood. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys which sticker books I'll be using. So I'm going to be using this sticker book right here. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but I know this is their, okay, take it back. It's a seasonal sticker book. And I'll be using this one. I'll also be using stickers from the drinks sticker book right here. And these are all Mambi sticker books, or Happy Planner sticker books if you want to call it. I'll also be using the Dates and Holiday sticker book. And I will also be using the Squad Goals sticker book. Alright, so if you guys do not know, I am currently using the memory planner, and I do have it in the big Happy Planner size, and I've been using the big Happy Planner for 2 years now, but I'll be changing that up come 2019. So let me just jump right into this plan with me. Did I pick out? Nope, I didn't pick out any washi. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this teal looking washi tape. Oh, so I forgot to mention I'm also going to be using a paper pad, and I'm going to be using the Holiday Bash. Ooh, my bad. The Holiday Bash paper pad. I picked this up at Michael's, and when I picked it up, it was like 50% off. And it's just 6x6 inch paper pad papers in here. And yeah, they have a lot of pretty designs in here. I'm actually going to be using this design. But yeah, it's very, very pretty holiday-ish paper pad. So that's what I'm going to be using. So I have already pre-cut some little strips here that I'm going to use to actually cover up the names of the week. Alright, so I have already pre-selected a lot of my stickers already, and I just put them on the back of some sticker paper, and I'm going to go ahead and start applying my stickers. And I'm just going to go back and write in the dates by hand. Alright, so what I've noticed about using paper pads is that I use less stickers, so that means my stickers will last a lot longer, which I really do enjoy that fact, or that aspect of it. that is the end of this plan with me. I did it, you know, kind of simple. I started getting into the holiday theme. Yeah, and I can still use this to all of my ability, if I can say it like that. So I can still use this. I am choosing a pen for this week that I'm going to use, and I'll be using this pretty blue color right here for my planner spread. I may add some black into it as well, but I'm mainly going to be using this blue one. And this is just the Perfect Touch Gel 0.7 pen I picked up at Walmart. So yeah, so that is my planner spread right here for December 10th through the 16th, the second full week of December of 2018. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for coming by and becoming part of my little fam bam here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again later. Bye.